What is n8n? So you have to know what is n8n. n8n is an open source low code platform empowering both non-coders and developers, right? So you can unlock the workflow efficiency with n8n is a open source workflow automation tool. n8n visually connects different apps and services using a node-based editor, low-code platform enabling automation without complex programming, which flexible visual builder to design and customize workflow. And you can connect, maximum connectivity is there with the Google Sheets, AI models, and it supports both self-hosting and cloud services. And we will discuss about the self-hosting here. Based on your deployment can be based on infrastructure preferences. Deployment flexibility is there. So now we will just see about the self-hosting kind in n8n. Welcome to this video. As I have already said that n8n is a self-hosted automation tool. So automation app or anything like that. So people will have some doubt, what is self-hosting, right? Self-hosting is nothing but maintaining an app or a website or any services in your control, not going with a third-party provider. Having a private network, private server and hosting on that and maintaining on your own and not depending on any third-party app developers or anything like that. So n8n has an advantage of self-hosting, and the thing is it can be self-hosted in n8n itself, but it is very costly. That annually, monthly they will charge around 24 euros, and 1 euro comes around 100 rupees in Indian money. So you can just calculate like 24 euros. You can calculate as 24 euro to INR. It comes around 2,500 rupees per month. So it is not affordable for most of the Indians, and even though it is affordable for certain people, you can restrict only around 2,500 workflow executions, and only you can share only single projects, and that this is not easy and this is not convenient for us. So what can we do? There are n number of VPS providers in the market, but I will prefer to go with Hostinger. The Hostinger has a VPS, and the charges for that VPS is very low. That is 400 rupees per month. You can buy a monthly plan or else you can buy a yearly plan. And the most important thing is you can go for unlimited workflows. This is only 2,500 workflows, and you can go for unlimited workflows. You can choose any plan in that, and if you go for this Hostinger plans, it will be cheap and it is affordable, and you can execute unlimited workflows. So go for Hostinger thing. And how we have to go is just log in and go for KVM VPS, right? And just go over there. It opens, and after it's getting opened, it will ask for the server. Next, in OS, just type n8n. That's it. Select it and you give a password. That's it. It will get access to the email of this n8n server, will get connected over there. It's a very easy process. I have given the link in the description of Hostinger. You can go over there and you can purchase and you can use it and you can see how it works. And before that, you can go for a free credits they will give. But I will recommend to go with Hostinger. It is cheap and affordable, and if you want to work, you don't want to become an employee, you can become a CEO of a SaaS thing by going with n8n. So just go for it. Thank you for watching this video. Bye. Hi, welcome to this video. In this video we are going to create a image generation app, AI image generation app using n8n and Lovable. Before jumping into that, we will see that how that app looks like. So this is how the app looks like, and a futuristic city with flying cars and neon lights. I just clicked generating images, and then you can see the image has been generated here. So this app we are just going to do it within half an hour, and I'll show you how to do this app, right? So this image generation app, we can design it with Lovable, and also the backend will be done by n8n, one of the self-hosted. n8n is a self-hosted automation tool, and the image is being generated here. So the prompt what I have given is the futuristic city with flying cars and neon lights. Just wait for a second, and you can see the image has been generated here. Yes, the image has been generated, and this is how we have given the futuristic city with flying cars and neon lights, the dream it, and you can create it. You can going to do this image generation app within 30 minutes, and let's dive in and see how to create this image generation app. Hi, welcome to this video. In this video we are going to see about a AI app, that is a image generation app, and it can create image generation on its own, and we are going to do with n8n and Lovables. The first and foremost step what we have to do is we have to create a image generation app. We have to bring back the nodes for this image generation app. The first thing what I'm going to do is I'm just going to make this trigger when clicking execute workflow. So this is, I have already explained about the basics of n8n, and this is the executive workflow. These are all called nodes, and this executive workflow I'm going to connect with OpenAI. So in OpenAI we are going to generate a image. So I have created this one, and I'm just connecting with this one, and I just wanted to place a API key for this OpenAI, right? So I have to go to OpenAI, alright. I'm generating an API key, alright. Image generator key, default create, copy this API, right? Go back there in automation, place the API over here, alright, and it's saved there. So the connection is tested successfully, and now GPT image, alright, and then I'll create a prompt. So I'm just giving it as cute cat eating fish in pond, right? I'm executing the setup. So executing the node has been executed, and we will ping again. So after this has been done, we have just connected the API, and I'm just clicking view the cute cat eating fish in pond, right? So this is the image generator. So via n8n, I have just connected the OpenAI node, and I have just placed the OpenAI account with the API keys. The resources, I have just made it as image, generate an image, and model I have selected as GPT image 1, and after that I have just given a prompt of cute cat eating fish in pond. So you can add options also, like quality we can add as high, and after that resolution we can just make it as, we can any resolutions like thumbnail resolutions, everything you can do it. And then I'm realistic, right? And I'm executing the step over here, right? After a few minutes. So this is view, and see a German Shepherd dog and a photorealistic thing. So this kind of image can be generated, and the next step what we are going to do is, right, we are going to go for the canvas, and then we are going to add another node as called webhook, right? So webhook has been generated, and I'm connecting this webhook with this one. So this thing will get, the two webhooks will be connected, and I'll tell you the reason why the webhook is the only node that can be determined without, for creating a beautiful app, right? So now what we are going to do is, so thing is, we are going to add a webhook, right? And now it's a production URL is there, and HTTP method is there. I'll just go for a test URL, and then we are going to make it as a post, right? Authentication none, and respond is, we have to respond to the webhook node. So we are going to place a webhook node here, right? So, and then it's done. The next thing what we are going to create is, we have posted the webhook, and now we have to get it with another node of webhook. And now what we are going to do is, we are going to add a respond to webhook, respond to, yes, and here we are going to add as a binary file, right? And now it's done here. Choose automatically from input will be fine, because customization is not needed. So back, I'm just going back, and done. So after this, I'm just going to see, click the edit thing, and then I'm just going to change here from this to this, delete it, again create a curly braces, and delete this curly brace. And now what we are going to do is, we are going to type So after this, we just wanted to, so everything is respond to node, everything done, and now it's time to print the data. So by opening the curly brace, closing the curly brace, and now I'm just typing it as body, right? And now a small space with my pen. Again, after this is done, I'm going to go for OpenAI. Here, the generation of OpenAI node, I just wanted to make this prompt into expression and copy this prompt, place here, right? Expression, and it's done, right? So it's everything is done. So the webhook, respond to webhook and generate an image, everything has been done. And after this, now everything is done. We have finished the webhook, just a simple thing, OpenAI, and this one respond to webhook. I am executing the workflow, and now if everything is fine, we will just work. That's it. We got this DJ raccoon, everything is fine. And now the next thing what we are going to do is we are going to work it on Lovables the next time. So after this, we are just going to do it in Lovable, and the Lovable part we will see. So the image generation, creating an image generation app in a backend using n8n has been finished. The next thing what we are going to do is we are just going to create an app on lovable.dev, right? The thing what we are going to now do is just copy this prompt. I have created a prompt over here and just paste the prompt here. Create an AI powered image generator app. The interface should be clean, modern and visually appealing. Users should be able to type in a description of the image they want and click a button to generate it. To generate the image, send a post request to this endpoint. So it is time to go for n8n and see the URL here. So I'm just going inside, go for the production URL, right? Copy this, right? And then we must take this one, right? And I have placed here. The request body should look like this prompt: a high resolution portrait of a man wearing a suit. API will return the generated image as a binary file, right? So you got it, and run this one, right? So it start building your front end image generator app. So AI powered generation, Dreamit created the serene mountainscape landscape at sunset with the vibrant colors, the futuristic city with flying cars. Any image can be generated now, and as you know, it has been done by OpenAPI key and connected with n8n workflows. So now I just want to get it connected to, what do you say, connected to a Supabase or anything, I can do it here, or else I can have a preview also here. And I just wanted with change the color of the app with blue and white. So it has been changed to blue white with blue, and I will show a preview of this. And now after it is done, I can publish it with this domain, right? And if you want a customized domain, you can get a customized domain. The customized domain refers to that like this. It won't come if your name is something like Michael, www.michaelappgenerator.com, like that. So I have published it, and right, and now you can see a new image generation app is ready. That's it. If you want to make money with this, you can also type to create a payment gateway by giving a prompt, but now I'm not doing that. And you can just create a payment gateway by giving your Razorpay or Stripe. If you are in India, you can go for Razorpay. If you are abroad, you can go for Stripe account and give that API over there, and it will automatically get connected and start earning money from the day one. It's a new image generator, and a new LLM app has been created on your own within few minutes. So that's it, and thank you for watching this video, and let's meet in the next video. Bye.